ni wawalato kusakira siwano lugwasalimu kwa lubondi. Tunyorenda wamu tubane tukola nesa bakaki ne Allah mugumye watu wakoze. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Banaye mnafikiri sana Uganda because of the different people, isn't it? Baganda bange baseba kashaza family, we condole with you. Era saba katonda abagumye ekirungi mzee abakwatideko paka ku myaka ekitegerekeka. Banange n'aba security minister Uga nakuchesere security. I am here on behalf of the National Unity Platform, and I am actually the true MP of this land, Northern Division, though a fourth was declared. So there is a masquerade in Parliament in my position. Baganda bange wali batuzika no mzee lero ete kitwera bizanti mzee yaita sobola kusala bridge ya wansi ogenda wali na mabwa dala kusuta government, but the roads that we are moving on are in a dire state. So my RCC mikwano ja President Museveni or Mr. Museveni, please, you think about our area. You gave us a city, but there is no funding for the city. It is very funny. I'm not going to speak a lot of things. Member of Parliament, eat that money, eat that money. But when I come, let us join hands and we show them level